Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Step 0 for You. Today we are kicking off our comprehensive HTML course. Whether you are completely new to the web development or you are looking to become a professional in web development and digital marketing, this course is just for you. Before we dive into the course content, let's make sure that you have necessary tools installed on your computer. For this course, you will need two essential software tools. Number one, VS Code. This is a powerful code editor that we will use to write and manage our HTML code. To get it, open your browser and write VS Code download, enter, and in the list you will see a link towards Visual Studio Code. If you click this link, it will take you to the official website of VS Code, and there you will see three variants of VS Code, one for Windows, one for Unix, and one for Mac. You can download. Second, Google Chrome. We will be using Chrome as our primary browser to test and view our HTML projects. If you don't already have it installed on your computer, simply search for Google Chrome download in your current browser and follow the instructions to download and install it on your computer. We will cover the basics and provide a solid introduction to HTML. We will dive into more advanced topics like HTML classes, IDs, and more. We will explore HTML forms and tables to manage user data. We will learn HTML graphics including canvas and SVG, etc. We will discuss HTML media including audios, videos, and embedding content. Finally, we will cover advanced topics such as HTML APIs, geolocations, and other crucial skills you will need to excel in web development and digital marketing. Along with these HTML lessons, we will integrate tools like ChatGPT, SEO tips, and best practices to boost your performance. You will get hands-on exercises, examples, and by the end of this course, we will work on real HTML projects. First of all, I want you to make a new folder on your desktop with the name HTML Learn. For that purpose, you right click on the desktop and from the menu select new and then select folder from the sub menu. It will create a new folder on your desktop and name it HTML Learn. HTML Learn. Now I want you to open Notepad or any text editor on your laptop or your computer. If you are working on iMac or Apple laptop, then you can use text editor. Here I'm using Windows, so I will be using Notepad. In the search button next to the start, if you write Notepad, it will come up in the pop-up menu and select Notepad, and the Notepad is open. Now I will write some lines of my CV in this Notepad. Now I will save this file as an HTML document. In order to do that, what we do, we go to File, Save As, and in the dialog box we will go to the desktop and will go to the HTML Learn folder. This is the same folder we have created in the start of this exercise. Click it and now we are in that folder. In that folder, we want to save this file as index.html. The extension .html will make this document as an HTML document. If we don't write this .html extension, it will save this document as a text file, which we don't want to do. Desktop, I will open that folder which we have created, and in the folder I can see the index file which we have saved, and along with that name of the file we can see the icon of the browser. I have Chrome browser as a default browser on my computer, that's why it is showing Chrome's icon. If you have other default browser on your laptop or your PC, then you will see the icon of that browser. If you click it, you can see that this file is open in the browser, not in the Notepad, because it is an HTML document. If it was a text file, it would have been opened in the Notepad. Now, what is the situation? We wrote our CV in this Notepad and curriculum in one line, my name is in second line, my qualification in third line, then each qualification in different line and so on. But the browser is showing this file not like that as I have written in the Notepad. Why? We need to tell the browser how to show it. And here comes the role of the HTML. We will give instructions to the browser using HTML, hypertext markup language, what to do. And instructions in HTML for the browser are called tags. Tags start with angle bracket, ends with the angle bracket, and between these two starting and closing angle brackets we write instruction BR. For example, I wrote this instruction. Now the browser will read this line, and then as soon as it bump into this BR HTML tag, it will break the line. Okay, let us see. Save this file and reload it in the browser. Here you see the browser has broken the line after the word curriculum vitae. Now let me put this BR tag after at the end of each line. So I copy it and paste it here. After putting BR tag at the end of each line, I will save this file, reload in the browser. The browser has broken the lines when and where it detects BR tag after my name, after qualification, after skill. Here I want to mention another thing. If you look at this BR tag at the second last line and the last BR tag, these tags are different because this one, the upper one, is in lowercase and this one is in the uppercase, but they have the same effect. Therefore, HTML language is called case insensitive language. This CV needs more improvement. Using HTML, I tried to improve this CV, and this is the improved copy. What do you think about this one? Much better than that. The first word is the main heading, then is the second heading, then we have third heading, then we have a list of my qualifications numbered, and then my skills are also listed but not numbered. This type of listing, which is numbered, is called ordered listing, and this type of listing, unordered listing. And after my name you can see a horizontal line, we call it horizontal row in HTML, and after qualification and ordered listing we have another horizontal row. So how do we do it in HTML? Let us see that. To make that improved CV, what we'll do, we will remove all these BR tags in this file and put other tag. In our improved CV, we see this word is main heading. So to make it main heading, we need to tell the browser that make this word is main heading. Tag for main heading is H1. Save it. This means we are asking browser that start making heading 1 from this point, and reload this. After saving this file, it started making word main heading, but it didn't stop here because we didn't tell the browser where to stop making word heading 1. So at this point we want to ask browser curriculum vitae is the only word which is main heading. So to stop H1 we put closing tag / and H1. They are same, but in the closing we have /. This means start making heading 1 from this point and stop making heading 1 at this point. Let us save it and reload it. Only the curriculum vitae word is heading 1.